how to log in Drizly app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now as of March 2024, the standalone Drizly app and website have officially shut down. So Uber, which requires the company in 2021, has consolidated all alcohol delivery service into the Uber Eats platform to create a one-stop shop experiences. So because the original Drizly service is no longer operational, you cannot log into Drizly app. Instead, you could use your existing account details or create a new one on Uber Eats. So what you want to do is, if you don't have an Uber One account or Uber Eats onto your device, you could use the same credentials as your Drizly. So all you need to do is go to your app store and install Drizly. After which you need to go ahead and make sure to simply go ahead and install Uber Eats actually, and simply select open. Now you just want to make sure to go ahead and sign in using the same account or the credentials as your Drizly. You could go ahead and continue with your Google, continue with your email or other options available. So that's how you'll be logged into Drizly, or an alternative for Drizly was Uber app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.